Hello and welcome to Real Estate in Fort Wayne and Northeastern Indiana. We spoke last week about RESPA laws, the Real Estate Settlement Procedure Act. Well, we're here at Metropolitan Title Company today to see what is title insurance. So Tricia Murphy, account executive, is here with us. Tricia, what is title insurance and why do we need it?
Well, title insurance is a policy to protect the consumer from any defects in title, such as mortgages, judgments, liens. A lot of people don't realize that when they get a judgment placed against them, that it actually attaches to their real estate. So even if it's a personal judgment, they own a piece of property, they're going to have to pay it off. So it's to protect the buyer, really, in the transaction, to make sure that they're protected for the time that they own the property.
Well, we talked also last week how RESPA laws changed as of January 1 of 2010. Tricia, how has it affected your business with the new laws?
The new laws have really changed the HUD and the way that things look on the HUD to the consumer.
Now, what is the HUD?
The HUD is the actual settlement statement that shows all the figures, like the purchase price, the mortgage amount, the title insurance fees, the lender fees. So it shows you all of your cost breakdown. So really that's been the biggest change for us, is just how things are showing on the settlement statement and how we describe them to the consumer has changed a little bit.
So the RESPA laws, which were put out to actually protect the consumer in the buying process, they are working.
I believe so. I think it's made it a little bit more difficult for the consumer to understand just because of the formatting of how things are now laid out on the settlement statement. But overall, I think it's maybe made it a little clearer to them because it's not so many different line item things. So instead of having multiple things, they really just have a few different things that they have to look at.
Wonderful. Well, thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next week at Real Estate in Fort Wayne and Northeastern Indiana.